Fire escape inspection summary video. This is Inspector Alan Toll. Again, I'm back here on system 2, the one facing the garage at 333 Fulton, and this is why I won't be able to pass this today. These temporary ladders are not acceptable. It's not signal knowledge. Single action with special knowledge is needed. It's not single action, it's special knowledge is needed to use these. The screen is blocking your way, so there's no way to get off of this roof. So we've got a couple of options that we could suggest. It's most likely going to need to replace those ladders somehow. If you have any drawings of what the original design was, we might be able to kind of recreate that and not have the need for a permit. But if not, then we're going to have to come up with a solution. Probably we can't use hydraulic ladders anymore, so it's just going to have to be some kind of drop ladder or counterbalance ladder that'll raise up, not block the traffic below. But I can't pass this at this time. You can see this is relatively new. This closing that off, so that's not going to be acceptable to us, and we'll need to discuss it with AHJ. Also, there's no positive connection for this ladder here, just sitting aimlessly. So other than that, I mean, the fire escape system itself is in pretty good shape. I don't really see many issues with that, but we're going to have to deal with this before we can certify the system. If you have any questions, 866-649-0333.